Hi everyone, this is Dr.Digvijay. So today I'm going to talk about the Aidite Biomic Stain and Glaze kit which I have just received. And this kit is an all-in-one kit which can be used for all ceramic and metal ceramic. This is a kit which can replace the commonly used stain and glaze kits in market right now. It is a very easy to use kit. And this kit has a three-dimensional materials as well, as in 3D glaze and 3D value materials for stain. And this kit can be used for shape adjustments as well. It has a flexibility in shade matching feature, and also this kit can be helpful for bringing up more luster and brightness to your restorations. So just let me, can you just bring it down? I'll just show you more closely the kit. The contents of the kit. Here you can see these are the 2D stains, and then we have these 3D stains as well available. Apart from that, we have two coloring liquids, one for the 2D stains and one for the 3D stains. These are coloring liquids are different. Basically, these have some glass particles with the coloring liquid too, which can be used with 3D, and they need not to be mix and match. Apart from that, we have stain brushes. This is for 2D and this is for 3D effect. And apart from that, there's a very beautiful 16 shade matcher which you can have a look. And this shade matcher is an amazing thing which can help you in getting the right shade for your right crowns as requested, and it will help you not to have a guesswork, so that way you can get a good results inside your lab. And this kit is an awesome kit, and it could be an all-in-one kit, so you need not to purchase separate kits for your laboratory. Apart from that, having these 3D stains, these can be used for shape adjustments as well. You can do contacts, you can add occlusion additions you can do with it. So this way you need not to buy separate porcelain material. If you're running a full contour zirconia workflow inside your laboratory, you need not to buy separate add-on materials for your restorations. Apart from that, this kit is having a lot of features which currently available stain and glaze kit don't have it. So this way, this kit is an awesome kit. It will be quite helpful for any dental technicians and dental laboratory who want to use them.